Welcome to Soul Society, where nature guides us to balance and healing. As moms, one of the most common things we face is when our children catch a cold. A runny or blocked nose can make them feel uncomfortable and restless. Instead of turning first to strong medicines, there are gentle, natural remedies that can help soothe them and bring comfort. Today, I'll share with you simple remedies you can easily make at home. A cold is one of the first symptoms expressing a flu-like state. A runny nose is generally experienced as a rather annoying symptom. However, it's actually a good sign. When children have a runny nose, constant wiping can make the skin around their nose red and sore. To prevent irritation and give them relief, you can prepare a gentle balm. From 1-year baby. 1 teaspoon of shea butter. 1 drop from 1-year-old of benzoin essential oil. A small clean container. Melt the shea butter in a bain-marie, add the essential oil, and pour it into the container. Apply this balm gently around your child's nose several times a day. It protects the skin and soothes redness. Sometimes, a cold blocks the nose, making it hard for children to sleep or breathe comfortably. A natural balm can help open the airways. 1 tablespoon of shea butter or coconut oil. 1 drop from 1-year-old, 2 drops from 3 years old of cajeput essential oil. 1 drop from 1-year-old, 2 drops from 3 years old of hoewood essential oil. A small clean container. Melt the butter or oil, add the essential oils, and store it in a container. Apply a small amount around the nose and on the cheekbones. This helps clear the nose gently and supports easier breathing. For younger children, or even school-aged kids, scented tissues can make blowing their nose less unpleasant and more soothing. 1 drop from 1-year-old of cajeput essential oil. 1 drop from 1-year-old of benzoin essential oil. Put the drops on 1 tissue in the middle of the pack, then carefully place it back. After about an hour, all the tissues will be lightly scented. This makes blowing the nose more refreshing and calming. Always dilute essential oils properly in butter or carrier oils. Never apply them directly to a child's skin. For babies under 1 year, avoid using essential oils. Stick to very gentle remedies like plain shea butter. Before applying any balm, do a patch test on a small area of your child's skin to check for reactions. Avoid applying balms or oils too close to the nostrils or inside the nose. Stay on the outside area only. Do not use essential oils if your child has asthma, severe allergies, or chronic respiratory issues, unless you consult a doctor. If symptoms worsen, last more than a week, or include fever, ear pain, or breathing difficulty, always see a pediatrician. Store all essential oils and homemade remedies out of children's reach. As moms, we always want the best for our children. Simple, natural remedies can bring comfort without harsh chemicals, and they're easy to make at home. A runny or blocked nose is just part of the body's way of healing, and with a little support from nature, our children can feel better faster. Thank you for joining me today on Soul Society. If you found these remedies helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural healing tips for the whole family. Until next time, take care of yourself and your little ones with love and nature.